we're back in another video. And today we are going to be unboxing a Lunchable. And yeah, so let's just get to it. So first we have to, here's the bread, the ham and cheese, the Pringles, and my bottle of water with the Kool-Aid. And let's just get started.
And Oreos?
Yeah. Is that shrimp? I think you need my freaking shrimp or something. Yeah, guys. So we are going to be making a 6-inch. So
I just showed them.
Oh. And we have this. And the bread. So let's just, get to it. How do you open this? Haven't had a Lunchable in a long time. Hold up. Let me see. I got it.
Mayo?
Yeah. You don't like mayo on your sub?
No, I just...
Guys, comment down below if y'all like mayo on your sub.
Go join us on
Haven on Roblox, and then we'll add you back. Well, I'm gonna put our Roblox in the comment and the description, in the link in the description. So just make sure y'all go see that. So get the sub out, and let's start putting the stuff on. Lorraine, come help me. Come help me put the stuff on.
Only if I get some Pringles.
Why do I have to give you my Pringle?
Because I gave you my pizza.
Only one Pringle. No, don't open it now.
Dang, savage. You know what this looks like?
What?
What kind of ones for not the sub, but the little cookie ones with the bread, the cheese, and the ham. I don't know.
This is gonna be so good.
So what am I here for?
You're gonna help me throw some of this away when I'm done.
Wow, isn't that bougie? I'll put the mayo on.
No, not yet.
Ew, fat free.
All right, throw this away. This. $5 footlong. $5 footlong.
That looks terrible.
Okay, guys.
Here. Doesn't that look too much mayo?
No. You have to use all the mayo.
Unless you're a real big mayo fan. Here you go.
Here's the sub.
Ew. These are cold.
I'm gonna pour my Kool-Aid into this bottle of water too.
I know, that's what it's for. It's cold. Look at them. Bye-bye.
I'm buying Brooklyn Fed. $9 footlong. Guys, let's shake it up. Shake it up. Shake it up a little bit. Guys, look. We're gonna take a bite of the sub. Alright, guys.
Are you about to reveal it?
Here it is.
Oh, the drink. Let me give you guys another close up. I don't think he knows how to close up. Do you like cold Pringles?
I'm just gonna let him quarter pound. Alright, guys. Let's try the Kool-Aid. Not that bad. It tastes just like Kool-Aid.
After this.
Now let's try the Pringles. They're not even cold at all.
They are cold.
No, they're not. Alright, guys, that was there in our review. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the post notifications to see when we post. And yeah, and this is what. And just yeah, bye.